Hi everybody, for another video. We have a new account, MZ Gaming. Where did this icon from?
Oh, Baskin Robbins.
Okay. But we made a new channel. Please subscribe, rate, and comment.
Turn the white button green.
Here's some gameplay. It's the golden peacekeeper suppressor. I think extended mag and stuff like that.
So yeah, guys, I thought it was really easy getting this gun gold. I suggest using a suppressor and extended clip. That helped me a lot. If you're going for the bloodthirsties, here's the trick. On the first kill, just don't go all out thinking like, oh, I'm going to go beast and get this kill. You want to go campy first. For the first 3 kills, you might want to go campy. And then, after that, just these 2 dudes running out. And then if you're like, all excited, like you get your 4 kills going, oh, I'm so excited to get this bloodthirsty boosting and going rushing out. That's not going to help you. The adrenaline's just going to turn into nervousy, and then you're going to die. Trust me. Happened to me, and I got mad. Alright, so, that's on. Oh, crap, my gun's out of ammo. Almost. Okay. Oh, MSMC. Where is it? Oh, it's kind of quick too. Alright, so the class I used for perks, I used Blind Eye, because I thought it was really annoying, like going for the bloodthirsty, and all of a sudden a random hunter killer drone or UAV would come find me and kill me, so that really got me mad. Another thing is, like, for perk 2, I use Ghost, so like, say for example, I was going campy for my first 3 kills. Huh? Alright. Alright. So, here we go. So, yeah, guys. That's all for today. Thank you. Subscribe.
Goodbye.